Welcome back, everyone, to Nelson Math, Chapter 6, Section 9, Estimating Quotients. What we're about to do is what some might consider a multi-step problem-solving question. It requires you to really understand the question because you're going to have to combine different calculations to solve this problem. You have to look at the given information and go from there with what makes sense. Let's try this now. Our Lady of Perpetual Calculations Catholic School has 500 kids. They want to sell freezies over a 5-day period in June. If every child buys one freezie per day, how many boxes of 80 freezies should the school buy so they don't run out and don't have many leftovers? So our logical first step here would be, well, how many freezies are there altogether? We can't answer how many boxes they need, even though we know there are 80 freezies in a box, because we don't know how many freezies there are altogether. So let's calculate that first. First, we're going to calculate the total number of freezies needed. So we're going to go 500 times 5. And we got the 5 because they are selling them over a 5-day period, and they're each going to buy about one. So they need 2,500 freezies. That's how many freezies they need. However, the boxes come in box sizes of 80. So how many boxes of 80 do you need? You could solve this using a T-chart. You could say one box is 80 freezies, two boxes, 160 freezies, three boxes, 240 freezies. But that's going to take a long time, even though it will work. So you're welcome to do that. But let's see if we can find a somewhat faster way of doing it. This is what we have to be able to estimate. We need 2,500 freezies or 2,500 freezies, and they come in box sizes of 80. So what is 2,500 divided by 80? That's what we want to find. I'm choosing friendly numbers. My friendly numbers are 2,400 and 80. And I chose these because I'm dividing by 80, so I want a number that I can easily divide by 8. That number happens to be 24. So we could do, with mental math, we could do 2,400 divided by 80. This is like saying, as we learned in section 8, 240 tens, that's my 2,400. I'm renaming it as 240 tens, divided by 8 tens, and the 80 I'm renaming it into 8 tens. It's like saying 240 divided by 8 is 30. So we need 30 boxes of freezies. 240 divided by 8 is 30. So that's 30 boxes of freezies. And let's see if this makes sense by using our fact families. 30 times 80. 3 times 8 is 24. Add the two zeros, and we got 2,400. But if we do this, we're probably going to run out because we only calculated for 24, in this case for 2,400. So we need a bit more. So we've already done our checking. We are 100 short. We're 100 freezies short. So if we buy one box, we won't get to 100. We have to buy two more. So we're going to buy our 300 our 30 boxes from up here and our 2 boxes from here. So that's 32 boxes of freezies. So please go back. Whenever you do this, please check your answers with the calculator. If you did not get the questions correct, find where you made your estimation or calculation error and fix the problem. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day.